Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have another awesome app for you which can help you in posting your social media captions. So basically this app is mainly used for using the caption from this app. So this app has various captions which are posted by many app users who have used their skills and they have posted the caption. So you can copy this caption without any copyright issues. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So let's begin. So the name of the app is Caption Expert for Instagram. So basically in this app you have various subscribers or various app users who have posted their caption. So you have various filter for selecting the caption. You can select it depending upon the emoji. You can select it upon the trend. You can search the caption keywords. You can search by hashtag and many more filters. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how this app is and how we can use this app for our social media captions. So here's the app guys, Caption Expert for Instagram. So as you can see there are various captions. So you can select by caption, by trend, by emojis, by IG handle, so you can like post some your own captions as well. So the rating for this app is 4.5 and the size of this app is 11 MB. So let's just open the app. So here's the app. So as soon as you open it, gives you a pop-up to buy a paid subscription. So as you can see, it has some cool captions for paid subscription, and then the costing for paid subscription is 1699 per year, or you can just bill it weekly for 32.67 rupees. So let's just close it and try using a free subscription. So as you can see, here are all the captions. So the first caption is I never change, I simply become more myself. So this caption was copied by 16,662 people. So as you can see, here are the number of copies. So this is also, so this caption is posted by anonymous, so he doesn't want to display his name, and it was posted 2 years ago. So these are the top captions copied. So this is a very big caption, a long story you can say, and then there is this caption which is copied 5,264 times. Then here's another caption which is posted by some Instagram handle. So if you can open the Instagram handle from here as well, but the user is not found as many people change their Instagram handle every now and then. So that's the reason, and this was posted 1 year ago. So this is what the captions you have. Then you have option of filter, like emoji filter over here. So you can select any emoji. If you select this emoji, you will get the captions with those emojis. So in this, people have added all the emojis so that the caption can be shown, but this is not a good sign, you can say. So there are some big captions like compose, and no one read those. And then other than emoji, you have this option of trending. So you can see which captions are trending. So this caption was uploaded 6 days ago by Daisy Lowe's. I guess we can open her Instagram profile, and here it is. So here she is. So likewise, you can add your Instagram handle. And as you can see, this is anonymous test. So this caption was done by me. So it has one copy. So I copied it myself. So then you have this option of recent, and then you have this option of new. So let's just go to my profile section. So as you can see, I have posted one caption which is test, and I have copied one. So you can add the caption as well. So you just have to press this plus button over here, and then you can add the caption. So let's just make it a caption, and let's just add some emojis, and I can also add my Instagram handle if it's needed, or else I can submit it. So let's just submit. So caption submitted. So likewise, you can see your caption over here. So this is a caption, and the emojis what I've posted has come in the hashtag section. So likewise, you can choose your favorite caption from here, and you can copy those caption to your social media handle. So yes guys, this is what the app was. This is how you can use various captions from this app, and you can go your social media handle. You can paste those caption on your social media handle. So go download the app and let me know how you feel the app is, how its interface is, and do you love those captions or not. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.